Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, depending on your geographical location and your time zone. We are here again to do another round of street vlogging. This is a very cold day, and we are going to be discussing what has been raging on the streets. There was information people are spreading around, and one of them is that they are talking about the Nnewi Road Construction as a political road that Governor Charles Soludo just started in order to score some cheap political points that that is not going to complete that job in next 2 years. So that's what have been the discussion, and you know, we are here to iron out some of these things and to discuss about that, and also to find a common ground or the truth from all these things. So now, but before we continue on our discussion, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as you subscribe to this channel, you are helping to push this homeland, pro-homeland channel to the higher level. Remember, we are targeting 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, which with your help is possible. I'm so Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. So let us dabble into this discussion today, and I hope that you will be able to help us in this discussion by the sweet comment, because this discussion doesn't end here. It continues on the comment section, and I'm also using this opportunity to respond to some people that are not really watching the video or the whole video before commenting, and those that are saying, oh, you are not on the ground, blah blah blah, why not come down and get first-hand information? But some of these people are a big ignorant of the fact that this channel has been breaking some of the news that those in down there doesn't have the access to, because we have our source. CNN is in America. You don't have a correspondent. You have people bringing information. The same thing applies to us. Remember, we also have our correspondents. We have people bringing, we have our sources. We are the first channel that talked about this Nnewi Road. When we talked about that, a lot of people accused us of falsehood. But we said, wait, the job is coming. And we talked about that Soludo will end up doing money roads in Nnewi than any other governor in the history of Anambra State. That virtually he will change Nnewi. Let me also talk about the gas investment by Ozela. If you look at our past video, we are the first people that break the information. And let's talk about also the Amobia, Ekulobia, Oga Road. We are the first channel that talked about that, and no other person. People said, oh, that's a fake news, blah, blah, blah. We spoke about it, and that's exactly. So there are many, including the main market. When we talk about the main market, that the new main market is coming, people thought we were joking. And they accuse us of so many things. And we talked about also train, that the government is to install train lines. People argued and called us many names. We also talk about another airport coming out from around Obuji area. The Anambra is to have another second airport. Some people said it's a fake news, but they are beginning to hear it from the government. Government is calling it airstrip. Government is calling all those things now. But all these are what we have contributed. So now, for those that are talking about Nnewi Road as a political road, what you have to understand is that I know that politicians try to take advantage of so many things. But in this case, I don't think that's the reason for this. Nnewi, we are hampered not by the government of Charles Chukwuma, but Nnewi indigenes by themselves. It's just similar to what happened in Agro. When Governor Chukwuma Soludo and Anambra State government wanted to start the construction of World Adventure, Leisure and Fun City, one of the greatest in Agro Lake area. There was a stiff resistance against that. Many of these people, Agolo indigenes, resisted that and said, oh, government is trying to take over our land, blah, blah, blah. And they end up delaying the government. And the government said, okay, when you are ready, we will come back. Let us not be delayed. Let us go to Oka and start the first one in Oka. And later on, when you are ready, we'll continue, we'll come back to Agolo. And that's why the Agolo project was delayed. That's why Agolo project will be starting up in 2025. So there are many other things. So Nnewi basically was apprehensive of many of the properties that are going to go down, because you know Nnewi has the problem, and with other people in Anambra State, of building just inside the road, thinking that the whole place will continue to be in a slum like forever. So that has been the major problem, you know, until there was agreement. That's when the whole thing started. But we are going to tell you that it is not a political road. The government is quite determined to do the needful, and that's what you are going to be seeing. And I wish to tell you to like this, comment, share, and subscribe. What is your own opinion? And I am still Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. I'll see you in the next video, and God bless you for supporting us. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.